In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to join a Roblox experience due to parental permissions. So if you're trying to join a Roblox game and you're getting this lock symbol here, then this is usually because your account is under 13 years of age. So to go and fix this, we first just need to click on settings in the top right hand side and then go and select settings. Now scroll down to the birthday section and here you'll find your date of birth. So if you actually are over 13 years of age and maybe you've accidentally typed in the wrong birthday, then the first thing you can try doing is just updating your date of birth. So to do that, click on the edit button next to it and then just go and select your real date of birth from this list. Once you've done that, we can press continue. Now the next thing you'll need to do is click on privacy and content restrictions from the left hand side, click on content restrictions and click on content maturity. Now you need to ensure that this slider here is turned all the way up to the right. Now, before we can change this, if your account is managed by your parent, then you'll need to select this button, Ask My Parent, and this is going to send an email to the parent or guardian for your account. So the email will look something similar to this, and what they'll need to do is just click on the review button in this email, and they'll need to go and accept the changes on your account, and that's going to update this slider to the moderate section. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to head back over to any Roblox experience, and you should now be able to join without any further error messages. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.